how to do this viral trend right here and where to find it. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our labs. In this video I will show you from where you can find this add your sticker and the tutorial to it. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ellie and John YTT. Now from this place you will have to go to November, add yours at highlights, which is here. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. I also have other viral trends if you like. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below that will help you with this problem. And at the end of the video, I will show you from where you can get that YouTube tutorial from the Instagram app. So make sure to watch till the end. Now we have to go to our uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one right here. Place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and now share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral at add yours, super viral at highlights from my Instagram profile. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So if you like this video, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. So you can turn on that notification bell and you'll be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.